Hello, today I want to review tankless wire here. So 27 kilowatts, 113 amp, 3 GPM. So this is what you're gonna receive it. This is your adjustment of temperature, and this is all your info for. Here's your screws to screw it, and cold and hot water, and this is where all the wiring's gonna go, and secure brackets already include, and 2 hoses, and your 2 knobs, which is you might only need 1 knob, but you're gonna receive screws, and your instruction for 27 kilowatts you need 340 amp, and your template. Here's the template for the wall. You already pre-drilled the screws, so just put it in level and then simple.
So for these connections, you have to bring 8 gauge wire. I run 2 of them, instead not to run in just 2, which is you need for each of the circuit by 2 hot. And it's much easier like this way. And make sure hook your ground somewhere for safety.